Everyone, welcome back to the channel. So Gavin in here, and by the way, when you're watching this video is likely on Driven Wild Garage, a new channel because, well, you know, the algorithm hates it when we don't talk automotive. So we teased over on Driven Wild Outdoors about Gavin's mini bike had a massive oil leak. Suddenly just something happened to it. Well, let me show you the progress and show you where we're at. Okay, so you'll see a mini bike here without an engine. Little bit of tools. That's the jack shaft, a little assembly there. I don't know if they call that an idler pulley or whatever, but anyway, that helps to keep some of the chain from the slop out of the chain. Flopping chain tensioner. I guess that would be, yeah, because a little spring on it. Anyway, so you'll see we took the engine. Look at all the oil that was under there. Obviously, it was pouring out, so you know it's going to be there. So Gavin's going to clean all that out. So we have that going on. And this is the reveal. So we've taken the bolts out. Gavin, you need to tap on that cover with the, is it loose?
Just barely got it loose, yeah.
Oh, wow. You didn't have to take it off.
Oh, I just kind of did that. All right.
All right. Easy, easy. What's, make sure there's no clips or anything on the back side. Pull it straight up.
So, this.
Oh, no. That sits in there like that. Wow. What does the gasket look like? Is you can see the, look at the gasket. Where's the gasket?
Oh, my Lord. Look at
wow.
it. It's fully, this is like decomposed.
Oh, wait a minute. What's down here? What's going on right here?
Gasket.
All right, turn it. No, don't pull it off yet. Press it back down. It's bent. It's bent upward. There's your problem right there.
Yeah, because it was on the bottom, remember?
Yeah, but I'm saying I've got a weird angle here. Okay, so, and look, because you moved it before I could get, that is slightly up right there. And that is where we saw the oil leaking out whenever we took the motor off. Yep. All right, well, good deal. Well, here's inside of this engine.
I gotta fix that.
Oh yeah, that's a problem. Anyway, so there is, that's the crankshaft. That's the connecting rod right there. So the rod goes up into the cylinder, the piston's under here. And that is the cam. So, all right, everyone. Gavin, what do you think?
It's pretty cool.
You're getting greasy. Look, you're officially a mechanic. All right, let's get busy.
So as you can see, we got the engine out now. I cleaned it, got all the grease out and stuff and all the grime. So we discovered that the gasket on the crankcase was bad, and we accidentally moved the cam. When we picked up the side, it kind of fell out, so we got that realigned. We ordered a gasket kit, so we're waiting for that to come, and so we'll update y'all when that comes, and like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and see y'all on the next video.